You know what sounds good? An egg roll. Egg rolls in the air fryer. How are we going to do this? Let's try some, shall we? Okay, so for these egg rolls, we need to preheat our air fryer for 350 degrees and 13 to 14 minutes. We're going to do them for 14 so that they cook for an even amount. Once our air fryer is heated up, this is where we will put in our egg rolls. And then we let them finish cooking halfway through. Once our egg rolls are halfway cooked, we will rotate these. Maybe use some tongs. Oh, that's warm. And let them finish cooking in the air fryer. After 14 minutes, this is how mine came out. Well, that one will warm. There they are. But are they any good? Let's grab some soy sauce. We got some soy sauce packets. See, whoever said these would not come in handy. Egg roll. Ooh, that's nice and warm. Put some soy sauce on there. Make a mess. Do you have favorite condiments for your egg rolls? That's good, crunchy. If this helped, if you could leave a like and a comment, subscribe. It does help a lot. We do a lot of cooking videos for different things here. Have a good night and wonderful eating. Let's keep you fed.